I pozdrav svima ljudi, dobrodošli u novu epizodu na Funky Pants kanalu. Danas igramo South Park Stick of Truth. Za početak trebamo da napravimo svog karaktera. Moje to ćemo random skroz, ne. Ovo sam jednom već igrala i nije bilo loše, pa eto, možda će i vama da se svidi. Ajde, sve jedno. Dosta. I complete. Sada neću toliko da pričam da bi mogli da čujete šta pričaju ovi iz igre. Eto, useljavamo se.
We did it, hun. We're really moved in.
It's a new beginning for us. Things are finally going to be good.
Do you really think it will be better for him?
They won't look for him here. We just need to make sure he doesn't attract any attention. Come on, let's see how he's doing.
Sweetie,
Idu kod mene.
hun, you all dressed?
Hey, champ. How do you like your new room?
Da, ja sam inače
I
mucija.
know it's a big change for all of us, but son, do you remember why we moved to this quiet little mountain town? He doesn't remember.
He doesn't remember at all.
That's good he doesn't remember.
Sweetie, we want you to have lots of fun here. Why don't you go out and make some friends?
Right, get outside and play, son, like normal kids.
We've got some money for you on the kitchen counter, sweetie. Just be back before it gets dark.
Yeah, we love you too.
Kaže, idi igraj se kao normalna deca, a ja nisam, a? Dobro. Ovdje nema ništa. Ovdje ima nešto. Pa dobro, idemo onda se igramo. Dobro. Šta ima ovdje? Nema ništa. Dobro.
You shall die by my warhammer.
I sad vjerojatno to je to.
Cheating. I'm gonna tell my mom. Thanks, kid. I didn't realize he had a health potion. Look, my name is Butters the Merciful. I'm a paladin. I live right next door to you. We should be friends.
I eto, završili smo izgleda ovaj prvi quest. Okej.
Now that we're
Close.
friends, you should speak with the Wizard King. He's been talking about your arrival.
Da, s Erikom, on je
In the
kao...
greenhouse, over there. Hey, where are you from? Where'd you live before moving here?
Kuc. I evo ga, Erik.
Grand Wizard.
So, you are the new kid. Your coming was foretold by Coldwell Banker. I am the Wizard King. But the time for talk is not now. Let me show you my kingdom.
Tvoj kingdom, to jest kraljevstvo. Dobro.
Oh, who's your new friend, Eric?
Daj,
Welcome to the kingdom of Koopa Keep.
Koopa Keep.
Our weapon shop here is tended by Clyde, a level 14 warrior. Here you can see our massive stables, overseen by the level 9 ranger, Scott Malkinson, who has the power of diabetes. And here, of course, is the breathtaking and lovely Princess Kenny, the fairest maiden in all the kingdom. Don't ask why Kenny wanted to be a chick, it's just how he seems to be rolling right now.
Dobro, samo nešto da podesim. Dobro da pričamo s Cartmanom, dobro.
You have been sought out, new kid, because humans everywhere are in great danger. I need something from you, and in return, I am prepared to allow you into my kingdom. I know you are very excited. It's time for your first quest, but first, please tell us thy name.
Sad šta god da izaberem, on će uvijek isto da me zove.
You entered douchebag, is that correct?
Sad ćete vidjeti, idemo no.
Are you sure you want to keep the name douchebag?
No.
Very well, douchebag. You will now choose a class: fighter, mage, thief, or Jew.
Ja bi iskreno fightera.
A white fighter? Haven't seen a good one of those in a while. A mage is like a wizard, only not as cool. A white thief? Never heard of one, but interesting. Jew, huh? So I guess we'll never really be friends. A fighter has courage, honor, and the ability to kill
Ovako
like
ćemo.
an ad. We welcome to our kingdom, Douchebag the Fighter.
Hooray!
Now please, go and visit the weapon shop. Procure yourself a weapon and we shall teach you to fight. Hey, where the hell are you going? Would you like to see my wares, weary traveler? Perhaps you would like to hear tips and rumors?
Sad imamo šta imaš od weapona. Dobro, imam dovoljno para.
Ah, a lovely purchase.
I od equipmenta ne mogu ništa. Dobro. Tako.
Ah, you have procured a weapon. Yes. It's now time to teach you how to fight. I want you to take your new weapon and, with the bravery of a noble knight, beat up Clyde. What? Kick Clyde's ass, new kid. What I do? I'm the king, Clyde, and the king wishes to be amused. Go on, new kid, kick his ass.
Dobro.
I'm gonna kick your ass. Clyde, you have to wait your turn. That's lame. No, Clyde, it's like olden times. You have to wait your turn. Like in the Middle Ages, Clyde. I know it's lame, Clyde, but that's how we're fucking doing it. Alright, douchebag, bash Clyde's face in. Don't be shy.
I sad je vreme da ga klepnemo po glavu.
Oh,
Tako.
hell yeah, Clyde's your bitch. Alright, Clyde's wearing armor. In order to hurt him, I want you to hit Clyde as hard as you can. Ah,
Tako.
power attack, douchebag. You need to really hurt Clyde.
A, power attack, dobro.
Ah! If that was a power attack, how come Clyde isn't crying? Let's go!
Čekaj bre. A, desni klik, dobro. Ti ga.
Oh shit, dude, I think I see blood. Fucking nice, bro. It's exactly what you do to guys with armor like that. Okay, listen up. The key to surviving in battle is not to get hit in the bow. Clyde, it's your turn to attack. Douchebag, protect your bow.
Dobro.
Prepare yourself. Die.
A,
No,
fuck.
no, I said protect. Protect your bows. Yeah. No, that's not blocking. That's sucking. Try again. Ah! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Dude, you're already way better than Clyde. Alright, it's time to use your heroic powers. Using your ability
Dobra.
takes power points, or PP for short. PP. If you have a fucking better name for them, then fucking say it, Clyde. Fucking asshole. I'm the king, and I say it's PP. Douchebag, use your fighter ability to make Clyde pay for insulting the king.
Da ga pičemo bejsbol palicu. Dobro.
Come on, fight. Dick.
Ovo nije izgledalo baš dobro.
Try it again, dude. Didn't count. Way to wipe that smile off his stupid face, douchebag. Now do it one more time. Finish him. What? I was going easy. Take this. Ah.
Evo, baš nije dobro prošlo. Nemamo više za ovo.
This is unblockable.
Dobro, sad mi.
I dodged that.
I ovo je zadnji udarac, vjerovatno. I ovo bi bio veoma lak duel, vjerovatno. I vreme već da završimo ovaj video. Hvala na gledanju i ako vam se sviđao video, lupite subscribe i like. Do sljedećeg viđenja.